Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I bet you guys loved that intro. So I wasn't even going to turn this into a YouTube video, but it's a little late now. So we're doing a bunny video. Okay. Open up your little door. There. You can go now. Come here. Oh my gosh. Why do you eat your food so fast? So I'm going to be telling you guys random things she does every day that I just don't like. So one thing I don't like that she does is I'll have this open, but she never gets out. Like, I'll have it open, but she never comes outside of her cage. And it's just so annoying. And I gotta fill up her water bowl. That's amazing. So I'm gonna do things that I hate that she does. I'm gonna do like 3 things. So that was number 1. Number 2 is she always eats her food so fast. Like, she doesn't slow down or anything. She just goes. So that's number 2. And at night, when I'm sleeping, all she does is just scratches in her, little thingy. I don't know what it's called. Little black part. She just scratches all night long. It's hard for me to sleep. But other than that, I'm going to do 3 things I love about her. Right now, 2. 3 things I love about her is that, hey, put your head up. She will lick you if you put your finger out to her. Maybe. There we go. That's a good girl. That's number 1 of things I love about her. And number 2 is her little spot right here. Her little light spot right here. Number 3, she is so fluffy. You are so fluffy. Sorry, that was my brother. He's playing something, and I don't know what he's playing, but something that hurt. Well, thank you all so much for watching this video. I will post more shorts today, so see you all next time. Please subscribe and like this video. Bye!